Hello to all of our dear friends. I hope you're doing great and feeling well. I'm Mary from Hyperpix Productions, and today I'm back with our new and one of our latest Chrome Text Effect packages, which has a Y2K style. So this is the first of all of this collection. It's about 10 different packages. I'm going to open them one by one for you, and they allow you to just convert your text into this beautiful style just with a single click. And in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to work with this product. So our users have loved the last packages, and in this Chrome package we are concentrating on Y2K styles. So we have PDF files besides these files. So if you open them one by one, you're going to see that we have applied all of the text effects plus the fonts we have used in the videos. So the fonts are free. You can download them easily and install them and open any file you want and just start your editing. For instance, I'm going to start with number 1. Just double click and I installed the fonts earlier on, so our file opened as fast as you see. So to edit the first and main text, we just right click on the yellow layer and select edit content. So in this window which appears right here, you just need to type your text just like this. Here we go, you can type anything you want. So you can also customize right here if you want, and you don't need to do anything extra. I'm just going to close, click save, and as easy as you see, our text is edited. And from the effects folder, you can also drag and move around your text and place it wherever you want. And the second text also is editable and it's in a separate layer. You can just double click and type anything you want instead. So free, easy and fast. Here we go. So I think it's perfect here. So the shapes we have in our background are all of them in separate layers right here. I'm just going to select this shape and drag it towards here. And as you see, it's so easy to have a complete control on every single item and customize to your likings. I'm just going to enlarge the shapes a little, and I think it's great. I'm going to place this here, so it's perfect. You can also easily edit and change the color, so you just need to open the yellow layer from the bottom part and open a hue and saturation group, and by just moving around the hue adjustments, you can get to some fantastic color combinations and edit your color. It's absolutely amazing. So the more important part which we have right here is the transparent background. So if you switch off the background, you're going to see it's brilliant. This transparent ability allows you to just use this style in all your other projects. All you need to do is to just select the layers you want and right click and convert them to smart objects, and now you have a smart object layer, and you can just drag it to any project you want, and you can also minimize it without the style getting messy. So it's magnificent. I'm just going to switch the background back on one more time, and I can use a color in the background as well, so you can see how fantastic it works. So let's go and try one more of the styles, another style. So I'm going to go with this style. Our style is opened. We have all the separate layers one more time right here, which we learned how to use them earlier on. We have the sparkles in this style, which you see we have them on the text. I'm going to edit one of the texts and just type Chrome instead. Here we go, enter. So I'm just going to change its place a little and place it right here in this spot. I think it's excellent right here. Here we go, and just close and click save. And here we go. As you see, all of our changes are applied, and adjustments is the settings of the brightness and contrast, which you can just customize a little and edit and play around with the groups. So we have the sparkles, which you can see the effect after switching the groups off, and you can just leave it remaining, or you can add more sparkles in the parts and spots you want. For instance, I'm going to just drag the sparkle and place it somewhere else and move its place just like this. For instance, I'm going to place it right here. And I'm going to just move the sparkle as well, as easy as you see. So the next group is the effects folder, which is the text style layers, and we have the shape group finally. So it's so easy to edit the color of the shapes. Just double click on the shape layer and select any color you want. Notice that if you want to change the color of the whole of the shapes, I mean all of the shapes, I suggest you to just open the hue and saturation group, and by changing the hue numbers, you can have any color you want, which is going to apply to the whole shapes and colors. So we have the shapes right here, which you can change their place. We have this hello shape right here, and the stars, which you can place them wherever you want. And finally, there's text at the bottom right here, which you can just switch off the background as well, and it's brilliant. So let's go and try one more text effect. All of them work just the same. There's no special complications to them, and you just need to know one thing about this style. So after you open the style and you open the yellow layer by selecting edit content, you just need to do the same thing one more time repeatedly, and do it twice. Some of the text effects might just work like this. They have two levels, so just do the same thing twice, and for instance edit the text, and now I'm going to close, save one time, and do the same thing one more time. So you just need to do it twice. It's not anything difficult, and as you see, our style is edited as beautiful as you see. So I thought I should tell this to you about the style. So let's try one more style and finish the video. All of them work just the same. So I'm going to open this style as well and type my text as easy as you see. Notice that I have downloaded and installed the fonts, so you do the same thing and make sure you install the fonts first and then open your style. So I will close and click save, and here we go. This is our amazing result. So what I'm going to do now is to just drag this style on another image and photo. So I'm going to just preferentially edit this bottom text as well. I'm just going to enlarge a little, and I think it's perfect. So the first thing we need to do is just select the effects, style and shapes groups, convert them into small object, and I didn't get the sparkles. I'm going to bring them separately, so don't worry. I'm going to open my photo in Photoshop, and here we go. Easily I'm just going to drag my style onto my photo and image. I'm going to minimize a little, drag it towards down, and as easy as you see, I can just drag one of the sparkles and place it on my text effect, and just get copies and duplicates and drag the sparkles on all of the parts you wish to have them. The result is honestly super and amazing. So I'm just going to enlarge this a little and bring it more in the eye. I'm going to make all of my layers into one group, and you can have a complete control on this single group. And also by playing around with the shadows and glows, I can get to some amazing interesting combinations and results. So I hope you enjoyed this package. I hope you liked this video. To download, just refer to the link in the description, and I suggest you to subscribe our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. We're going to have so many fantastic surprises, and we're going to have our second Y2K styles packages in future, which we hope you be able to create some fantastic artworks and projects by using this package. Thanks for watching this video. Bye till one more video.